Poured too much oil in your motorcycle engine? Here's what you need to do. Hi, my name's David, and today I will show you what to do when there's too much oil in your motorcycle. Keeping your motorcycle oiled up is extremely important for your engine and your riding experience. But what happens when you accidentally pour too much engine oil in your bike? Too much oil in your engine can be the cause of all sorts of problems, like oil leakage, a smoky exhaust, smoke coming from the engine bay, problems with starting your engine, and ultimately, your bike will stop working. In short, you do not want that. So, when you refill your engine oil, work in a controlled manner and make sure to keep checking your oil level. Check out our other video on how to properly refill your motorcycle engine oil. I'll put up the link at the end of this video. For more tips on your motorbike and information on oil, hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notifications. Luckily, getting rid of the excess oil is a fairly simple thing to do. Before we go ahead, always make sure to work in a safe environment. Wear gloves, and when working under your vehicle, always wear eye protection. I'm going to show you the easiest method. Removing the drain bolt to let a little bit of oil escape from the sump. For this method, we're going to need Alright, let's get to it. Some motorcycles have a different position in order to check the oil, so make sure yours is parked according to the method that's in your owner's manual. This way you get a good reading of your oil level. You certainly don't want to drain too much oil. Next, you place the tray underneath the oil sump. For the next step, use your socket wrench to unscrew the drain bolt until it's loose enough to continue by hand. This way, you make sure you only let out a little bit of oil and not drain too much. If you're not sure about how much oil you still need to drain, you can briefly screw the bolt back in its place and check the oil level. You can do this by looking at the sight glass. The oil level should always be between the two markers and close to the upper marker. If you don't have a sight glass, you can check the oil level using a dipstick. Similar to the sight glass, the oil level needs to be between the two markers and close to the upper marker. We're almost done here. Refit the drain bolt by hand and use the socket wrench to tighten it with the right tension, if you have one. Check the manual for the right tension. There you go. Did you ever put too much oil in your bike? What did you do? Let us know in the comments. That's it. With these 4 steps, you can make sure there's exactly the right amount of oil in your motorcycle. Step 1. Park your bike on level ground. Step 2. Place the drain tray. Step 3. Unscrew the drain bolt to drain the excess oil. Step 4. Refit the drain bolt. Click on the iCard in the top right corner to check our video on how to properly change a motorbike's engine oil. We have plenty more videos for you, so make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.